First is this Hello Kitty pom-pom beanie as Hello Kitty, bows, and candy canes, and it is very warm inside, so it'll keep you nice and cozy. They also make matching gloves. I ordered some, but they're still on their way. They are fingerless, but you can also turn them into mittens. Then I found this cute pastel sweater cardigan. It has bears, strawberries, rainbows, heart stars, all these cute things. It's pretty oversized, but that just makes it more cozy. Here's how much they cost, but with
guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of love, but still I wanted more. But I'm still on my tallest tiptoes, spinning in my highest heels, love, shining just for you. Super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine, make it mine. 달리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. Taking a chance, cause I like you a lot, so I'll give it a shot, give it all that I got. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-dee. Suddenly you call my name and I lose my brain and I float up to the moon. La-di-da-di-dee, la-di-da-di-da.
Haul from JJ's. So I'm gonna go through it. It's all Hello Kitty and Sanrio stuff, and I'm really excited to show you everything I got. Also, this blanket hoodie is from them and it is so warm. I've been living in it. It has like a hood. I'm so comfortable. It is so warm and fleecy on the inside as well. I love it so much. I wanted to say that I did get this stuff given to me. Thank you so much, JJ's. Thank you so much. But you know, I've been buying JJ's for a really long time because they've been having all the Sanrio and Hello Kitty stuff. But let's just go through it. Let's get through everything. I'm gonna start with the accessories. I got this backpack and it's got Kuromi and My Melody on it, and it's got like the chains and the fire and gradient pink, and I already have the shirt that has this same like design with the heart chain, so it's so cute. And in the middle it's just like this beige and it has a little pocket as well. So yeah, I just love the design. It's so cute and it's good size for like festivals and stuff because they don't allow big backpacks, so this will be getting used. I got this bucket hat which is super cute. I already have the other ones from JJ's. I'll show you. So this is the one I got, and I already had this one as well because it's like little Hello Kitty angels, so now I have two and they match, and it's so cute. This is my two Hello Kitty bucket hat. I got these little snuggle socks and they have the little grippy pads on the bottom and they're super warm and little Hello Kitties on them. I got this Hello Kitty headband to push my hair back when doing my makeup, and it's got Hello Kitty's little face on it, the ears and the bow as well. And they also have a Kuromi one and it's got Kuromi's little face. I do have some of like Hello Kitty like headbands, but not all of them have like the face. They usually just have like the ears, so these ones are super cute. This is my favorite item out of everything. this pencil case. Look at it. When I was young and they would have the Hello Kitty like show bags and everything, this is the design that would be on it. I have not seen this design on anything recently at all, like in years. So I literally had to get this because it is so cute. It's the Hello Kitty Angel, and this is like literally 2000s Hello Kitty all the way. I love this so much. This is my favorite thing. This is gonna be in my bag as a little purse compartment because it's so cute. So I got the socks. There's Hello Kitty, Kuromi, and my favorite, Cinnamoroll. I love Cinnamoroll so much. So they do have a variety of different characters, and they do have Kuropi. And there's a shirt that has every single Sanrio character on it as well. But these are so cute. I love